This is the EM-Smart AXI laser, and it can do something other lasers can't. It can engrave on complex surfaces like this one. Well, let's get into this. I'm 3DigiPrints. We're going to take a look at the EM-Smart AXI laser today, and I hope you can find something out about this laser today.
These are 3D printed items, and normally it would be hard, if not impossible, to engrave on a curved surface without specialized tools. However, the AXI can engrave on objects like this without needing additional tools.
Now, a normal laser can only engrave on flat surfaces like this basil wood right here. Because the AXI can do flat and 3D surfaces, I'm pretty excited about how this is going to be used within the 3D printing industry and the laser one.
The AXI features a 25 watt fiber plus 20 watt diode laser, which offers the user a versatile engraving experience. The AXI features 3D engraving, which is different from the standard 2.5D. The AXI uses a galvanometer to move the z-axis dynamically. This means it's capable of engraving on irregular curved surfaces that are featured later in this video. A 2.5D laser is best suited for flat surfaces and has limited z-axis movement. We'll use this coin to demonstrate the differences between 2D and 3D engraving. On the left is the 3D engraved coin, and on the right is the 2D engraved coin. With 3D engraving, you get these nice, deep, clean cuts, which make the design stand out and pop a little more, where 2D engraving is more surface level. Now we're going to test out a Terminator SVG on the coin and see how well we can compare to their coin engravings. Now, I am not a professional with this laser yet, but I am very happy with these results. Furthermore, EM-Smart would like me to mention that you do not need a rotary tool to engrave on cylinder-shaped objects like this thermos because it has that 3D engraving feature. This is a nice added bonus from the AXI because those rotary tools can be quite expensive. Look at how well this design turned out on this thermos. Once again, there was no rotary tool used for this engraving. Now let's do this leather strap. This time it will be with the other laser, and it will be blue. I like to use this bounding box to show where I'll be engraving on this leather, and I think I'll just do my name on this one. The laser I just used is better for materials like leather and wood.
I really like the AXI laser, and I'm excited to see what it brings to the 3D printing community. I believe we'll be able to do some interesting things with this machine, especially for things like benchies or small things. You could add really neat decals on your 3D printed items. This machine is really offering makers a new way to customize their projects. And that's why I hope people will choose the EM-Smart AXI laser when it launches. If you want to check out the AXI, the Kickstarter campaign has already ended. It was fully funded with over $150,000. It's now available for pre-sale on the website, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. Now, I did leave a link for the AXI laser in the description below. All you need to do is click on it if you're interested. And if you want to see more on this laser, please comment and let EM-Smart know that you want to see more laser content from me. They did send me this machine to make videos on it. So please let us know what you want to see next, if it's advanced tutorials or whatever. So if you've enjoyed this video, check out the Kickstarter campaign. Make sure to subscribe because I believe we'll be doing more videos on the EM-Smart machines.